really fitting today to do a story all about the first day. So in this one, it's talking about the first day of school. So you might be heading off to kindergarten or prep or whatever you might call it in your state, but it's all about the first day of primary school. So here in New South Wales, where I live, we've got lots of kinders starting school this week. So I thought it might be nice to do a story about that. There are some posts on our Facebook page all about things you can be doing at home, getting ready for that transition, and a really lovely story about a koala who's getting ready from school from the New South Wales Department of Education. So feel free to have a quick scroll about that. This one's called First Day. I'm using this alternative for first. You might see some other ones. They usually involve your one sign, but I'm going to use this one, so you're going to twist the number one. First Day. And this story is written by Andrew Daddo and Jonathan Bentley. Some of you mums and dads out there might remember that Andrew Daddo used to be on TV here in Australia. Let's have a look what happens on this little girl's first day. Are you ready? I'm ready. You look ready. Oh, she's ready to go. Let's have a yummy breakfast. So this sign might mean breakfast or cereal or soup. Pancakes, fruit salad, not porridge, not cereal. Yum, that looks like a special brekkie for your first day. It's time to get dressed or put your clothes on. You can wear your new shoes too. I wonder if you have some new shoes for school as well. Might need a hat today with fancy hair underneath. She's making her mum's hair all fancy too for her first day. It'll be fun. You'll make new friends. New BFFs. Do you know what a BFF is? It's like a best friend forever. But I'll always be your bestest BFF. Your BBBFF. There'll be new games like netball or basketball and new rules to follow. You might have to be a bit brave. This is a really lovely sign. I wonder if on your first day you're going to be brave. I feel a little bit braver when I do that sign, like I'm going to stand taller and stronger and more confident. The mum's going to be brave and the girl's going to be brave too on her first day. Brush, brush, wash, wash, and scrub, scrub. She's brushing her teeth, washing her face, and cleaning her nails. Ready for school. Got everything? You look fantastic. That's a nice word, isn't it? Fantastic, not fantastic. Shall we see what they've got in their bags? She's got some paper, some pencils. What else? Her lunch. What about Mum? Mum's got her phone and her keys and a doll to keep her nice and brave. first day. Cheese! They're smiling for the photo. I might have to be a bit brave too, but it's not for long. Let's meet here when the bell goes. The bell goes when it's the end of the school day and sometimes at the start as well. A kiss for love, you luck. I won't mind if you miss me. She's at school now at the school gate. Remember what we always say, the best bit about waving goodbye is the next wave will be hello. See, that wasn't so bad, was it, Mum? She had a good day, not a bad day. And the next day will be even easier. It's the end of school and she gets to see her mum. She had lots of fun at school and then it was home time. And off they go back home. So a really nice way to step through what your first day of school might look like. So getting up in the morning, putting on your uniform or your new shoes, having some breakfast, washing your face and brushing your teeth, packing your bag, saying goodbye at school, and then meeting your mum or dad or special person at the gate in the afternoon when your day's finished. We hope you have a really great first day at school this week to all of our friends starting, and we look forward to signing with you next time. See you later.